Okay, here's another video tutorial. Here's one that you could get. The question is, which one is a usable host address? And then they'll give you a bunch of IP addresses with a slash notation here for the subnet mask, and these are all /28. Well, how would you solve this question? Which one of these IP addresses is a usable host address? Well, using our methodology that I told you about, all you have to do is figure out what the magic number is, right? So all you have to do, /28 means 28 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's 28. That's 28 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? The magic number is right here. What's the place value? This is the 128's place value, the 64, the 32, and the 16. So we know right off the bat that the magic number, let's see here, magic number is 16, right? So now we can figure out what our networks are, right? So I'll get rid of that. And we'll lay out the networks, okay? First we have the 0 network, then the 16 network, go up by 16, 32, go up by 16, 48, go up by 16, 64, right? Go up by 16, 80, 96, right? Go up by 16, you get the 112, the 128, the 144, the 160, the 176, the add 16, that's 186, 192, right? Add 16, that's let's see, 202, 208, I think. Yeah, add 10, that's 202. Yeah, 208, I'm guessing. 192 plus 16, yeah, 8. 208 plus 16 is 224, and then plus 16 is 240, and that's it, right? Those are all the networks, right? Magic number is 16. So, is 224 a usable host number? Well, we can look here, and we see that 224 is actually a network number. It's the 224 to the 239 network, right? So 224 is the network number, 239 is the broadcast number in this network, right? So we know right off the bat that that's incorrect, right? No good. How about the 47, right? Well, we see that there's a 48 network, so you go, oh, 47, that looks good. 32 is the network number, and it's 32 to 47, right? Right, 32 to 47. And so now right off the bat that's not a good number, right? Because 47 is a broadcast number, right? So it's the 32 to 47 network, right? So we know that's no good, right? So what about this next one? 160, right? 160 is a network here. That's a network number, right? 160 to 175, right? 160 to 175. So we know that's no good. That's the 160. That's the 160 network. That's no good. And then last but not least, the 192, right? 192, we go look through our networks. We see that we have a 192 network. That's a network number. That's not a host number. It's 192 to the 207, 207 being the broadcast number, right? And so we know that that's a network right there. And so we know that, in fact, all of these numbers, right? All of these IP addresses are in fact either network numbers or broadcast numbers. There are no host numbers. So which one is a usable host address? You know, you'd say none of the above, or the answer would be, you know, none of the above. Could have been all of the above. You never know. But to do it, all we had to do was figure out what the magic number was to find our networks. If we can find our network numbers, we can find our broadcast numbers, and then we know what our host numbers are. Okay, and that's it. And there's always a question, the answer they're looking for is always a variation that can be found with the magic number.